An Amazon plane taking off from South Florida headed to Venezuela. The plane is packed with supplies for the survivors of the deadly earthquakes. CBS News Miami's Morgan Reiner is your reporter live at Miami International Airport with details about this latest flight. Morgan.
Yeah, listen, Aja, if anyone knows how to get a package to someone's doorstep quickly, it's Amazon. It's why the State Department is teaming up with Amazon and other organizations on the ground to get aid into the hands of the Venezuelans, and this is just the first flight. Crews pushed pallets of relief onto a cargo plane Thursday morning at Miami International Airport.
What you're seeing here is the first of 7 flights that Amazon will support in partnership with Airlink, the State Department, and the World Food Program to transport goods from nonprofits to the local community in Venezuela to help in the aftermath of these terrible earthquakes.
Bettina Stakes is the director of community impact at Amazon. She said they're working with organizations in Venezuela to make sure the goods being loaded onto this plane are specifically tailored to the current needs of the people.
Sleeping bags, wash kits. So imagine people are unhoused at the moment. Their houses have collapsed, so they sleep in the street or in shelters, or they have nothing left. And so other things that are in there are also medical equipment. There's field hospitals that have started popping up. There's going to be food and food packages that we bring in, tarps.
Maggie Forster-Schmitz with the State Department said this is a unique partnership with the private sector and an American NGO.
This is what we do, and this is why we do it. It's in order to get the life-saving aid that they need swiftly, immediately, and directly to the hands of the people that need it the most. And so we know that what the community here in South Florida has gathered, that is what is getting loaded onto this plane.
And the plane that took off today is just the first of 7 weekly flights that will head over to Venezuela through this new partnership. I'm live in Miami, Morgan Reiner, CBS News, Miami.
South Florida really stepping up. Morgan, thank you.